Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are here at Candolim beach, and today I'm with my wife Sharon, who's sitting there on the beach. And this is a different part of Candolim beach than I showed you in the other video. So this is closer to Sinkerim, and also this place, why it's better is because it has free parking. So you can just come here directly to the beach. It has less crowd and it's definitely very beautiful. Anybody can come here. There's a lot of couples, family, so it's very beautiful here, guys. Definitely recommend coming here. So let's go and check out this beautiful beach. So guys, as I said, this is a different entrance, and as you can see here, you can park, and the parking here is free compared to the other one in Candolim. So this is the main, not the main Candolim beach, but this is the the second entrance. I will put the location here on Google Maps so you can find the place. And the sun is going to set now. It's so beautiful. So see, look at the sunset. Wow, it's stunning. So Sharon's with me today, and we're going to go to the beach, and we're going to chill here at the beach today for the whole evening. So wow, look at the sunset, guys. So right now it is around 5:30. No, it's 5:50 right now, and there are a couple of shacks here. So this is Ram Shack, which is very beautiful. They have hookah, they have drinks, food, everything. So let's head on to the beach, and wow. So let's look around. So this shack is empty. There are many shacks down that side. Why I prefer this place is because it has much less people, and the views here are spectacular. You feel very at home here, and nobody bothers you or anything. And compared to the complete, if you go to the main Candolim, you have people who keep on asking you stuff, or keep on this thing. See over here how beautiful it is. So as you can see, look at the sky, guys. How beautiful is it? So this guy with blue here happens to be our subscriber, so he came to say hi. And it's always nice meeting subscribers. So the last time I was on Candolim beach, he happened to be on Candolim beach also. So Sharon's here just sitting and enjoying the sunset. So this is what she wants. This is so nice. So as you can see, the sand is beautiful here, and I'll just take a little walk around and show you guys the beach. I'll just come here. So let me just show you around here. So you can get some crazy Instagram pictures here at this place. So let me just show you the sunset before that. How crazy is the sunset? So beautiful. So this is the shacks here, and they have these really cool coconut things, which is really nice. And yeah, so guys, this is Candolim beach. The other side, if you see there, that is Sinkerim. So that is also a popular beach, but this stretch here is the best to come to. And if you want water sports, then you have to go further down the beach, and you will get water sports. And of course there are shacks like this. I'm tired. Okay, so I'm going to go back and chill with Sharon now. So yeah, so the water sports are here. There are the water also is really blue, and the sunset is magical, guys. So I'm going to go back and head on to meeting Sharon. So that's it, guys. So guys, this is one of our subscribers who keeps watching my videos. So tell us about your experience here in Goa.
Yeah, it has been awesome. It's one of my best best and go-to place to come here.
Yeah.
So every now and then I be here, because now since we are working from home, so for last 2 months I'm here. So I'm planning to stay here till April.
Okay.
So till
What do you like about Candolim?
Candolim, everything I like about Goa. It's not only about Candolim. I like Goan food, especially fish and all, fish thali and all. I like it like anything. So
How many
Goa.
videos of mine have you seen?
almost all. Almost. I have subscribed you. I remember 4 to 5 months back. 6 months back. That time your subscriber very minimum.
Okay.
And now I have seen it's around 40, 45, I suppose,
Yeah.
right? Near about that.
Yeah.
So I'm watching you since start.
Yeah, guys. So this is what's your good name?
Ajit Yadav.
Okay, so this is Ajit here from Goa at Candolim Beach, guys. So it was nice meeting him from here.
Exactly.
Yeah. So Sharon's building her flip-flop fort here. So it's so cool. Look at the. So the flip-flops are safe. According to her, the flip-flops are safe. We call slippers flip-flops. So look at the vibe here. It's so few people at this part of the beach, and the sunset is so beautiful. Oh my god, look at the sky. How beautiful is the sky? So the sunset's incredible, and we have lots of people here at the beach clicking pictures, and look at the beautiful pictures you'll be able to get here in the sunset, guys. So there's many people that side at Sinkarium side, and here there's we have some friends from the northeast over here, and wow, look at the sunset, look at the waves, so beautiful. What a magical evening to be here at the beach. So Sharon's going to say hi.
Hi. No, my hand is full of sand. This is one of my favorite beach. I think this is my favorite beach. I mean, since I came to Goa, we used to come here most of the time. Sinkirim. I used to call this Sinkirim Beach, but this is not Sinkirim Beach.
So guys, this when we just got married, this is the one of the first beaches I brought her to, and this is definitely one of the favorite memories.
Here.
Yeah, we
We
used to.
used to bring buckets.
Yeah.
and small buckets to make sand castles and things like that. That's it. My hair is so messy.
So we used to make sand castles here. We used to build little forts, and little cute couple things. See this place, how amazing is this? So this is just the beach vlog today, guys. In so Goa, this is Goa in December now, and see, everybody comes here and has a really nice time. Look at this couple enjoying themselves.